some distance away, just 10 seconds for market open. Let's just check in on what the likes of TCS are going to do, and more importantly, whether the rally will sustain tomorrow morning once the numbers come by post-market hours. The first rates then on your screen, and let's check in on the Nifty Bank and the Nifty IT, the two critical sectors that we would be tracking today. While the Nifty is looking okay around the 25,078 odd print, the Nifty Bank pretty flat there. The first rates haven't quite trickled in. I can see a 0.7% bump up on Infosys for sure. And Nifty IT seems to be a standout performer because even the Nifty small caps are not really doing anything. What about TCS? What about HCL Technologies, TechM? These were all the winners in trade yesterday. TCS as well, marginally higher. It's above that 3,000 rupee per share mark as we speak right now. Let's also check in on Titan, Max Healthcare, and then Eternal, which our colleague just flagged off. Citi's got an upgrade on Eternal, and they've revised their price target upwards on that stock. Titan taking a bit of a breather today, but let's check in and see what Eternal is up to. 1.25% of a move. It's now inching down to that 350 rupee per share mark. That said, we're going to also see what the newsmakers are up to this morning. And Concor, the Q2 throughput remains, sees an uptick of about almost 10.5%. They've seen strong growth in their EXIM and domestic volumes. Prestige, we were just flagging off record Q2 numbers. Let's see what that stock is doing right now in trade. Will just come up for you on your screens. Satvik Green, we were just chatting with the management as well. The Q1 revenues have seen a 3x jump, and profit as well has risen about almost 5x. 10%, that's the move that you're seeing right now on Satvik Green. What about Prestige? Let's just revisit that stock too. I'm sure it's holding up in the green, given that... yeah, there you go, 6% higher for Prestige as we speak right now. Escort Kubota, they're planning a 2,000 crore rupee investment in Haryana. Lupin looking to set up a $250 million pharma plant now in the US. So look out for what that stock as well does. HFCL, they won an export order worth about in excess of $34 million actually for optic fiber cables. There's Coal India Idcon, they've signed an MOU. There's GRSC and Centrum. They're looking to partner to co-develop indigenous naval navigation systems. InfoEdge, their Q2 billings have seen an uptick of about 12.1%. It's standing at 729 crore now, 1.25% higher for InfoEdge as we speak. And then Eicher Motors, wherein Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicle JV is looking to invest about 544 crore rupees into the JV. So that's the other stock which also is on our radars this morning. That said, Senco, IRB Invit, they're looking to launch a QIP, looking to raise in excess of 1,000 odd crore rupees at a floor price of 62.69 per unit. So these are a bunch of names that we're tracking. Harsh, what are you spotting?
Well, yeah, some of the pharma names doing decently well for themselves. Aurobindo Pharma perked up around 2.5%, now 3+% in fact in trade. So that one doing well. The other one is an EFC, and we spoke about that. Bacchus bought a stake in EFC, and that stock also is perked up 5% plus the last I checked. So that one also doing fairly well for itself. PVR Inox, 1.5% higher. Of course, Prestige Estates is the star of the day, 6% higher. The best gainer on the Nifty 750, in fact. So doing very, very well for itself. Stylum is the other one, 3% plus higher, second straight day of gains for a Stylum. So I'd want to know